In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the maintenance box of your Epson XP 4100 printer. Maintenance box is just at the back of the printer. So there is a screw to open at the back of the printer. Once you open it, you have to pull it to the back side. That is our maintenance box, and you have to slide it out. So it will display how much ink is dumped inside. So it also has a chip on this side, and part number is C9344. Take your new maintenance box and slide it in. Once it is locked in its position, we have to place this plate. Once it comes in its position, again tight the screw from the back. On the main screen, it will display some information regarding that, and click on the next, click on the next, click on the done. Now the maintenance box is ready. Thanks for watching.